There is a sound that haunts parks and football fields across Australia. A sound that chills to the bone. A sound made by this. The masked lapwing, or as it's mostly known in Australia, the plover. Plovers are known for their highly territorial behaviour, one that claims large areas of open grass and other areas. They protect this area with their soothing calls and vicious barbed wings. But they only do this because they are actually protecting their babies. And who can blame them? These little fuzzballs are ready to go the moment they're out of the shell. They're already foraging when they are only days old, which is a breath of fresh air compared to some other birds. Both plover parents hover around their babies, taking turns nest sitting or trying to wrangle them across their territory. They are the ultimate helicopter parents. Little calls let their young'uns know that they're safe and close, and then a different tone means that it's time to go. As the weeks go on, the little fuzzballs begin to lose their cuteness and eventually turn more and more into their parents, until finally they're teens. Notice the fuzzy cap on this guy's head? A sign of becoming an adult. After a while, the teens will outgrow the territory and will be kicked out by the parents, only to set up their own spot a few metres down the road. Like many Australian birds, plovers have a bad reputation as angry, vicious monsters, but in reality, all they are doing is protecting their babies. I'm going to make a big call here and say that plovers are one of Australia's top bird parents. I mean, how can you argue with that?